So guys, you must have seen the images like this on the internet or on social medias like LinkedIn or Twitter, and you must have wondered how they generated this. So this is very easy and quick. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you a very fantastic tool that can help you to generate images like this without wasting much of your time. And guys, the tool I'm going to show you is free and you don't have to pay anything to generate these images. So the tool name is carbon.now.sh. so the carbon tool, as you can see here. So here you can see a template already given on the website, but you can also edit this or paste your own code here. So let me copy from my website and paste it here, and now you can see how cool this looks. And you can also change the theme from here, and you must have to select the language that you are using in your code so it looks better. So there are plenty of languages option here, and I'm going to choose CSS. And you can also customize the theme, as I said. So currently it is Monkai, and also you can change the background here, and so you can also choose from this menu. So let's put it to yellow, and you can customize it even more, like changing the padding here and reducing the border radius from the editors. And you can also change the font size and font from here. So these settings basically works for me, and you can customize it however you like. So after all you have done, you just have to press this export button or copy it from here, and you can just paste it on your social medias, or you have to just export it from here by changing the settings or the size you want or format you want. And if you just press the export here, it is going to download the PNG image of your code snippet. So this is how it looks now, and this is how you can generate a cool looking code snippet image without wasting much of your time. I hope you like this video. Keep generating these images and using on your social medias and make your content look beautiful. So thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, keep coding, keep watching Tutorend.